Hey everyone! Welcome back to Vivid English Avenue, the place where you don't just learn English, you live it. Have you ever felt stuck in conversation? You know the words, but not what sounds natural? Don't worry, today I've got you covered. In this video, you'll learn 30 everyday conversation phrases that native speakers actually use in real life. These are simple, friendly, and easy to remember. So grab your notebook, relax, and let's make your English sound real and confident. Let's start. Take your time. Take your time. Don't hurry, relax. No rush. Take your time. Thanks. I'll finish soon. It's okay. Take your time. I just need a minute. No worries. No worries. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Sorry, I'm late. No worries. Did I make you wait? No worries. It's fine. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay, that's fine. Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. How about pizza tonight? Sounds good to me. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know exactly. Will it rain today? I'm not sure. Are they coming? I'm not sure yet. Take care. Take care. Stay safe. Goodbye politely. See you later. Okay, take care. Bye. Take care and have a nice day. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. I'll try as hard as I can. Can you finish it today? I'll do my best. Don't worry. I'll do my best to help. That's true. That's true. I agree. Time really flies. That's true. She's so kind. That's true. She always helps. I guess so. I guess so. I think so. Maybe yes. It's going to rain. I guess so. He's busy today, right? I guess so. Not really. Not really. Not much. Not very. Do you like spicy food? Not really. Are you tired? Not really. I'm okay. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm coming. I'm heading there now. Where are you? I'm on my way. Don't worry. I'm on my way now. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm joking. Don't take it seriously. Are you serious? No, I'm just kidding. Don't be mad. I'm just kidding. That's enough. That's enough. Stop. No more needed. Do you want more coffee? No, that's enough. That's enough. Let's take a break. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm very excited. The trip is tomorrow. I can't wait. Your birthday's soon. I can't wait for it. Good for you. Good for you. That's great. I'm happy for you. I got a new job. Good for you. You finished early? Wow. Good for you. Take it easy. Take it easy. Relax. Don't stress. You seem tired. Yeah, I need to take it easy. Take it easy and get some rest. Thanks, I will. You never know. You never know. Anything is possible. Maybe I'll win. You never know. Do you think it'll work? You never know. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. You're welcome. Thanks for helping. Don't mention it. I appreciate it. Don't mention it. Happy to help. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Don't be silly. Let's go. Come on. I'm almost ready. You can do it. Come on. Help me too. I'm starving. I'm starving. I'm very hungry. Want to eat? Yes, I'm starving. Let's grab lunch. Good idea. I'm starving. I'm full. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. Want more? No thanks, I'm full. Dessert? No, I'm full already. It depends. It depends. It changes. Not always the same. Do you like Mondays? It depends on my mood. Will you come? It depends on the weather. That makes sense. That makes sense. I understand. That's logical. We'll save time if we go early. That makes sense. Oh, now that makes sense. I knew it. I knew it. I already expected that. He forgot again. I knew it. You were right. I knew it. I can tell. I can tell. I can notice / I can see it. You're tired. Yeah. How did you know? I can tell. You like her, don't you? How can you tell? I mean, to clarify, to explain better. I'm fine. A little tired. It's hard. Not impossible. I don't mind. I don't mind. It's okay for me. No problem. Can we sit here? Sure, I don't mind. You go first. I don't mind waiting. Kind of. Sort of. Kind of. Sort of. A little. Not exactly. Are you busy? Kind of. Do you like it? Sort of, but not much. That's it. That's it. That's all. Finished. Anything else? No, that's it. That's it for today. Great, we're done. Not yet. Not yet. Still waiting. Not done. Have you finished? Not yet. Did she reply? Not yet. Maybe later. No way! No way! Really? I can't believe it! I met Taylor Swift. No way! You won the prize? No way, that's crazy. Now that we've gone through all 30 phrases, let's quickly review them. Try to say them out loud and remember how to use them in real conversations. Take your time. No worries. Sounds good. I'm not sure. Take care. I'll do my best. That's true. I guess so. Not really. I'm on my way. I'm just kidding. That's enough. I can't wait. Good for you. Take it easy. You never know. Don't mention it. Come on. I'm starving. I'm full. It depends. That makes sense. I knew it. I can tell. I don't mind. Kind of. Sort of. That's it. Not yet. No way. And that's it. 30 everyday phrases that will make your English sound more natural, friendly, and confident. Start using these in your daily conversations with friends, classmates, or even online chats. The more you use them, the more fluent you'll sound. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Because here on Vivid English Avenue, we grow, learn, and shine together.